Hi guys, I'm Shabrina Zulfi. I'm a first-year medical student from the Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Airlangga. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to cite using Vancouver style. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Perhaps one of you is wondering what is Vancouver style? Don't worry, I'm gonna explain a bit about Vancouver style. Vancouver style is a numbered referencing style commonly used in medicine and science, and consists of citation to someone else's work in the text indicated by the use of a number, and a sequentially numbered reference list at the end of the document providing full details of the corresponding in the text reference. Okay, now I'd like to explain two ways citing an article, journal, etc. First, using a website called Cite This For Me. First thing that you have to do is find the article or journal that you want to cite. I'm gonna cite this article about anxiety disorder from NCBI PubMed Central. Then we need to copy the article or journal links here and type the Cite This For Me website on search engine. The website is supposed to be look like this, and you have to set the citation style as you want before you going further. Type Vancouver here, and I'm gonna choose this one. The next step is click this add new reference and it will look like this. There are some source types such as website, journal, books, and more, but in this video I'll be using the website source, and all you need to do is just paste the link that you already copied before and search. And it will look like this, and you just need to click this side over here, and you can check the author or article title to make it sure before continuing. You also be able to add in any additional information you have about the source here. The next step is complete the citation and finish. This is your bibliography citation. After you following this step, you just need to click this copy in the text citation or copy the bibliography citation. It would automatically copy it on your device. And now I'm gonna paste the citation to my work like this, and yeah, it is. The other way that I'm going to explain in this video is by using the Google Scholar. First thing first, open the googlescholar.com. Type the journal you are looking for. Here I search the journal about anxiety disorder. I'm gonna cite this one. There's a quotation mark over here, and you just need to click and it will pop up like this. Just a citation style that you want. Here I choose the Vancouver style and I'll copy this. And now I'm gonna paste the citation to my docs again like this. And it's done. Easy, right? Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!